Because for me, there's a difference between fear and love. I think that they're actually the opposite of each other. Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for tuning back in for another Motivational Monday. My name is Carlos Martinez, and today I wanted to talk about the fear of rejection, the fear of failure. It's something that so many of us have experienced, where it's like you want to do something, but then it's like, do you really want to do it? Because, you know, you'd have to like you start something or go after something that you don't even know if you're going to be good at. It's like the unknown or the fear of change. And I feel like that's the complete opposite of the feeling of love. I feel like they are like, you have fear and you have love. There is no, those are like the basic emotions. And a lot of us fall into this category of fear. And where does this fear stem from? I think it stems from the unknown of changing the patterns that we're so used to in our daily lives. Because a lot of us do the same routines on a Sunday through the Saturday. It's always the same types of things. And so stepping out of that comfort zone makes us afraid because we don't know like what's gonna happen. And I feel like when we're going after the things we want to do, some of us we hinder ourselves, we feel crippled, we cripple ourselves because we're thinking, oh well, if we do those things then we don't know what's gonna happen, we don't know how it's gonna end, so we don't do it. You know, it's all about stepping outside of your comfort zone, because on one side you have the fear and on the other side you have love, and those are the basic emotions that I think everybody has. Anger stems from fear, frustration, I think that stems from fear. You know, happiness comes from love. Support comes from love. These are the two basic raw emotions. Everything else stems around those two. So don't let fear take over your life. You know, in life you're going to fail because no one's perfect. I think that stepping out of our comfort zone and doing things that makes us feel uncomfortable actually helps us grow. So when you're feeling that fear, you should ask questions like, what is the root cause of me feeling this way? Where is this emptiness or this fear coming from? Why do you feel the way that you do? Why don't you want to go after those things? You know, I always think that when we have the confidence that overcomes that whole self-doubt, because it's a self-doubt that sometimes hinders us from doing the things that we want to do. And you know, I think that having just that little bit of confidence, that little bit of self-worth, that little voice in your little gut, that you let that grow and let that blossom and say, you know what, it doesn't matter like if I'm gonna fail, because you know, even like the best artists out there, or even the most successful people, had to fail at least one time. And you know, you learn so much more from failure than you do getting the things that you want to do. Like if you were running a business and you were always succeeding, of course it's going to be great. But you know, having that failure and then looking back and being like, oh wow, there's so much more growth, because you're like, okay, so I had this business and it didn't go the way that I wanted it to go. So then you learn about all the other things around that'll help you grow. So in the future, you'll never have to do that mistake again. Because guess what? If you have that fear, you're gonna always stay crippled and you're never gonna grow. It's all about growth in this life. That's why we're here. So don't let those things stop you. So this is Carlos Martinez. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Leave what are the things that you do to overcome fear? I want to know. Leave that down below. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more content just like this, Motivational Mondays. Don't forget to like, thumbs up this video. Share this video with as many people as you can to show them that the fear of failure shouldn't stop you from doing the things that you want to do in life. And again, my name is Carlos Martinez. And remember to always stay positive. Thank you guys. Peace out.